right?
Okay.
I need you to grab 3 items out of your handbag. You're not allowed to look, and your time starts now. Oh, I love.
3.
Yes, 3. Okay, you got 3 items. All right. Now, I'm not going to start with you. Pretty. I'm going to start with you. Okay. What secrets does these 3 items reveal about you?
Oh, this one?
Yes.
Boldness.
Yes.
Yeah.
What story can you tell?
I'm bold, you know, like, I'm confident, and it shows through the lipstick, you know, when I'm, you know.
There you go. Love it.
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm confident. The lipstick, every time when I put my lipstick, it just, you know, makes me confident and bold. Yeah.
I love